And just
Easy
like that,
peasy.
done.
Neighbors say I'm getting too much paper, I got racks on me. Niggas mad cause I'm having cash, I got a bag on me. Neighbors say I got too many cars, I got so much drill, they can't stand the drill. I got a splash on me.
What's up, you guys, man? It's your boy Real to Real, man, back again with another video. Hey man, say man, hey man, it's your boy, man, Real to Real. Y'all already know what it is. But right now, I know y'all see me in the same clothes from yesterday. Same video, no, another video, same day. Say it like this so you guys can know, man, why I always have on the same clothes. I know a lot of people don't be worried about that type of stuff. For the people that are, that always in my business, that is why, man, because I record multiple videos in one day. And we got _audio cat back there. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, because we're gonna be doing this at Audio Zone, 1230 North Beltline Road. And we about to do something crazy to my car, to the doors. And just get ready, man, for this content. Now today, so this video is sponsored to you guys by AoonuAuto, man, and make sure you guys hit the link in the description and you order you one, man. Hope the coronavirus stuff don't slow you guys down from getting y'all's, cause I got mine. I'm sorry, but if you want them, you can also come to us, man, and we can get them ordered for you also. So we got Audio Cat here, and we're gonna be installing these today. So what do we have here?
Man, these are the door seals. A lot of people have seen them pop up on Instagram. Some have seen them on Facebook and other platforms of social media. It's actually a really cool design. You can either order it with your brand of your vehicle. You can even get them customized if you want to. They come from what is the name of the company? AoonuAuto. So it's AoonuAuto. They're the ones that actually got them. And it's
AoonuAuto, I think.
It's AoonuAuto or
It's AoonuAuto.
Just scroll down and you
exactly.
see the description. But this is where it's gonna go, guys. We're gonna be getting them installed. They're actually a pretty cool design, and you'll see that we get the build going on it. I'm gonna go ahead and install these to Mr. Real to Real today. I actually want to set myself, so I'm excited I get to put the hands on them and get the install done on them, man, on Mr. Real's car. But it's pretty simple of a setup. You have to have some kind of knowledge of electronics to know what you're doing. But it's not really that difficult if you do. So basically, you can see you're gonna have some wires here. It's gonna come with the pigtail, which allows you to extend your wires. So you have to get a power and ground. Remember, everything electricity has a power and a ground. So we're gonna be finding the power and ground and getting these source to them, installing them on there, and see how they light up very shortly. To show you what's going on, they do perform you with the double-sided tape reel here, which I'm gonna show you that in the process of him doing his blackouts, he actually left some of it open there. The reason he did that is because in reality, you don't want to put this onto a wrap or any kind of other surface that's not a flat painted surface, so you have a sure grip. Make sure that it can slide off or fall off on you guys. But I'm gonna show you guys the process of what you do to get this installed, because it can be basically a how-to, and you can just follow the description. Let me show you what's going on. So when you're looking at this car specifically, this is kind of it's a Dodgecharger. You guys know them, they're very famous. But almost every car in the market has the same concept when it comes to being built together. I'm gonna show you. So this is what's gonna be called your door seal. This is gonna be your plastics inside. So these plastics and all these rubbers are all removable. They actually all come off. And it's pretty easy on most cars. Just be careful when you do it, because you could break them. If you don't have experience, just take your time. But you're gonna basically look on this here. I do this every day, so I might pop this for y'all in 10 seconds, but in reality, what you do is you're gonna come and you're gonna feel the pressure. You can start to pop the panels off. That already clipped off. I come from the front, I got a clip. This panel's already ready to be removed. I got it out my way. It's that simple. Now what I'm gonna be doing is grabbing the seal that we have here, and I'm gonna be looking for the alignment of where does it that I wanna install it. So I'm kinda gonna start feeling and seeing where the curves begin on this area, which these curves are gonna be very important for us, because you don't wanna get this on a curved area. Remember, if you got a flat surface and you bend it up, in time, it's gonna start to lift, because that's when it's gonna go to its natural state. So I wanna get that, but I'm also gonna figure out where I'm gonna run this wire to before I run the pigtail. So this is what I'm gonna get into right now. As I come in here, again, you might have to do it differently, guys. I've been doing it for a long time, so the experience is different. I can actually just feel with my finger. I can see flat here. I can see it lifted here. I can see it flat here. So if I'm feeling right now and I see lifted and flat, I'm gonna shift it over to the side a little bit more, so I can get it pretty even where I want it to be. And I already know that's where I want it, just for me. I'm gonna show you guys where I come down here. This is what we're looking for. When you're looking at this here, guys, if you see this is completely flat to the surface. Over here, we have a little bit of lift. Over here we have a little bit of lift. So I want to get the lift to be exactly even, and that's what I'm looking for right there. Right there is where I know I'm going to be comfortable. So now I have to start getting my wire ran. I already know where I want this. So I'm going to hold it in place, and I'm going to lift up this rubber. Every car comes apart. Just lift up the rubber seal, and you already have this ready to go. I'm going to run my wire to the back. I'm going to put this in place, and it allows me to just be able to come and pinch this exactly where I want it. My door seal is already ready to go. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lift up here a little bit more and start getting my seal in place. So I'm gonna come back here, I'm gonna remove my double-sided tape. Already plan it down. Now that I got it where I want to, I get my wire, I'm gonna fold it. I'm gonna clamp this over with. We have a nice and safe install. That's gone nice and cleared up. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this here and get my pigtail to it, which is basically you can extend the wire for length. And now I got my power and ground here. So I already have a power ground wrench because we've done other installs to this car, but I'm gonna go ahead and power this on there because you can take a look at what it looks like. But this is already installed. You can remove this plastic if you want to. You want to do it yet?
Yeah, remove it so they can see what it says.
Look at this, y'all.
Yes, sir.
So it's got a custom graphic, reel to reel, and a YouTube. So y'all know where to come out. Exactly. But now we're gonna light this up and show you guys how this looks in a few seconds. So I'm gonna start getting this, start lifting up some panels here, start getting my wires ran. I really have to do that right now. Run my wires the way I want them, and come over here. Now, I get a tool that we have called the Chaka Chaka.
The Chaka Chaka.
Bring me the Chaka Chaka.
Bring in the Chaka Chaka. You know what the Chaka Chaka is? The Chaka Chaka? You don't know what the Chaka Chaka is, do you?
Turn to the other side and get it ready already. So I can have my power source recording.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I didn't know. I'm just saying. But we're gonna get the power sources ready for that side too. So I'm running to the same source that I have here. But at this point in time, I get all my stuff extended. These are my Chaka Chakas. This is why I love them, y'all. Look, you see this? I put them. Boom. It gave me exactly what I needed to make. Now my wires are clear, and I can actually use it again to give me my wires exactly what I need to cut. So these are my favorite tool, the Chaka Chakas right there. All right, y'all?
Okay, we going on the other side for you guys that didn't catch it. I know he moved kind of quick. Okay, he just ran the wire.
The difference with me when I do what I do.
Yeah, but we got this install.
For TV.
This
they
install.
Everything. They saw the whole thing.
Yeah.
I got the power supply to it. Now I just switched the wire over here. I'm about to put the power ground, and this is a wrap, y'all. This is how easy.
Well, we're gonna watch him put this side on for you guys that didn't catch it.
It actually shocked me how easy it is for this effect. Look how beautiful this is.
Hold on, let me show y'all one of the outcomes. And it looks beautiful.
It looks great. Check that out, y'all. This is a quick modification you could do to your car. Look, right now it's blue. Watch how I start flowing some colors. Pink, red, but watch how I start doing like chasing. Watch this.
Yeah, it's gonna go crazy.
It's really a cool look.
Can you calm down a little second? A little second? That's a little second.
Look at that.
There we go.
Multicolor.
Y'all see it?
Flowing across the board. I love it.
Come on, man. And with that black though, it looks so good with that black.
It looks amazing. I'm gonna get, guys. I'm getting this. All you guys are gonna have this very soon.
That's crazy right there. When I open the door with the speakers playing, because a lot of people were like, why you ain't put the colors up in the door? Man, I'm gonna have so many lights going on, man. I don't need to have it lit up like that. Woo-wee. Okay, so now we're about to head over to the other side, and I'm gonna show you guys King Tony Snow, man. Make sure y'all follow him, man, on Instagram. King Tony Snow, man. Man, he got his first his first fan today, man. And that's a blessing, ain't it?
Yeah, man, it's a beautiful thing, you know what I'm saying? To have followers, and I ain't even got my YouTube going.
But it's all good.
Here, I actually daisy chained this wire to the other side. So the same signal that powers that one, powers this one on. I already fixed my wire. This is what I used to fish. If y'all don't have one, you be
That's
surprised.
your fishing rod.
Listen, I can fish things out of my sink. You guys be surprised what I do with it, but it actually allows you to open up, grab a wire. I'll actually show you. Here, Tony, hold this right here. So it allows me to just grab a wire, I push it, close it, and I can pull the wire wherever I want to, because this is one of my tools. We fish that through right now. Same concept, guys. I'm gonna come here now, grab this, put the new one in, measure it, and pop this bad boy in. All right, we got the wire. Like I showed you on the other side, I do the same exact concept, y'all. I come here, I'm looking for flatness. So I come in here.
And y'all don't worry about how dirty, nasty my inside out. I'm going from shop to shop, city to city, state to state, highway to highway, local to local in this car right now. For real, doing these all this stuff to my car, so I ain't had time to just really get in and really clean it out. So, but I am tomorrow for sure.
After church.
Exactly. Exactly.
Come here, same concept. Put some clip here. Fish my wires through around. I got a nice secure fitting in here.
Bro, those are the same things I want to get put on my truck.
I am dying to get them from my car, I'm not gonna lie. Come over here, the famous
Chaka Chaka.
You didn't get the ones for the back?
I don't need them. Don't nobody ever get back there.
So now I got power with it. I'm gonna cut one at a time. And now I know I'm safe from my connections here. Come here. Got my wire power and grounds are here. Got these, split them open. my connections. I'm gonna need 2 white caps to get these 2 bad boys together. And we should be having light here in a second. So y'all can see, I got this all situated here. Power and ground right here.
Easy fit.
Yeah.
So y'all see, man, that thing is lighting up through the plastic. And look at that rear to rear YouTube come up out that thing. That what makes it a whole different level, you guys.
Man, I love looking at
y'all can actually just see.
No, they can. Look at that right there. That's just a perfect, look at it, flowing, real to, I love that. I cannot wait to, guys, y'all gonna see mine coming to a theater near you. I want them.
They're crazy.
I
love that. I love it.
I more than love it. I can't wait to
I love it. I can't wait to do my inside like, oh, well, I'm giving up too much, y'all. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Next week gonna be a crazy week for me. Crazy week for me.
Boom. Flip it. Get it down here. And my little rolls here. Make sure I don't get pinched there.
There we go.
Get the panel back together here. And just
Easy
like that,
peasy.
done.
Easy peasy.
Great modification, guys.
Look at that.
Truthfully, to make a car custom and not have to go too crazy, that's actually a great touch you can do to your car.
Great. Bro, that looks so bad with that black.
It makes a big difference, guys. It makes a big difference on the car, man. It's a small modification, but sometimes the small things go big ways, man. You don't have to be exaggerated to make these look good. Guys, that's a small upgrade. In reality, it's priceless. It's priceless for what it does. They personalized the car to his channel. They gave him an RGB flowing look on the car, which is what's going on right now.
We're going crazy with the rear to rear.
I can't even tell you, man. That right there is a whole nother thing. So to mine, I give it a thumbs up, man. I love the product, and y'all gonna see it on the audio.
Link is in the description if you want it, man. Or come by Audio Zone and we can get them. And we can get it customized for you, man. But y'all see real to real, and you know I got a YouTube channel. But wait till you see them wheels, oh, with that real to real. Oh, we buddy. Know what I'm saying? Come on, Josh, man. We ain't playing around, man. Let's just see if this thing closed the same way. Oh, we closed the same way.
Hey, man, man, it's your boy, man, Tony to the Snow, man. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying, man? We're gonna end this video, man. So basically, man, there's some things that happened today on this car, man. So as you see, boom, right? The homie did the dip. He did the dip. It looks so good. Woo, clean. And this right here, oh my God. Look at what? Oh my God. One more time, right? So hey, we want to thank Mr. Audio Cat himself. Make sure you follow the man on YouTube and Instagram. We thank you for all the hard work that you put in on a lot of these cars today, man. You do this every day, but you know what? It's nobody like you, nobody as true as you.
You know, I'm gonna tell you something, man. I can't say there's nobody like me because I know great people out there, man. But the thing is that I do it with the passion. I do it with love. You know what I'm saying? And I guess that kind of makes it behind me. I don't work a day in my life that I actually enjoy what I do. I enjoy the team. I enjoy Drew, even though I mess with him all day. But again, it's just my job, because my job I've learned through the years is not to be the best, but to make those around me to be the best.
He only loves me when he doesn't gotta yell at me, though.
All right, so we're gonna cut that short. Anyway, so hey, man, we want to thank y'all for all the love and support that y'all give Rail. When he's doing big things, we all do big things. You know what I'm saying? Like Jess said, we gotta support each other no matter what. This right here, man, this is insane. Y'all seen the build, y'all seen how crazy the thing was from start to finish, man. It's not even finished, and that's the biggest part of it. It's not even finished. We're gonna keep giving y'all content. We're gonna keep giving y'all content. Y'all gonna keep seeing this face. Oh shit, it go down like that. But real talk, man, you guys see the beauty that's going into this vehicle, man. So we want to give all praises to God for all the success that he has given this young man. And we just gonna keep rocking, man. So hey, I don't know if this is gonna make the video or not, but I'll do the outro. But hey, man, say, man, it's your boy, man. It's your boy, man, King Tony Snow, man, with Audio Cat in the back, man, and Josh in the back, man. Where you at? Do your outro, homie. Peace. You record? You record? Yeah.
Neighbors say I'm getting too much paper, I got racks on me. Niggas mad cause I'm having cash, I got a bag on me. Neighbors say I got too many cars. I got so much truck, they can't stand the truck. I got splash on me.